In the year 2025-2026, YouTube is mainly focusing at small channels. Now, there are two features that YouTube has rolled out as we are coming to the end of 2025. And these two features, YouTube is targeting new channels. These new features, I categorize them into two groups. The first group is audience grouping, and the second group is video overlap. I'm going to explain everything, and I'm going to show you how to use these new features to get visibility here on YouTube. All right, let's get started. The first thing, you go to YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, you click at Analytics, and under Analytics, you click at Audience right here. And then you scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see Audience by Watch Behavior. YouTube has just introduced this feature right here. There is new viewers, casual viewers, and regular viewers. As you see, YouTube is trying to group your viewers into three sections. New viewers, these are literally new people to your channel. And casual viewers, these are people that have been watching your channel for the past 5 months. As well as regular viewers, these are viewers that have been watching your channel for the past 6 months. Now, how important is this information to you as a creator? And indeed, this information is very important to you as a creator. And I'm gonna break it down. There's also another new feature right here that YouTube has just introduced, and this feature is called Popular with Different Audiences. It is still under audience grouping. Under this feature, YouTube is showing you the videos your new viewers watch, the videos your casual viewers watch, and the videos your regular viewers watch, as you see right here. The information YouTube is gathering for you as a creator, you can use it to get viral videos, you can use it to go viral, and you can use it to grow any channel on YouTube once you have this information in your YouTube Studio. All right, let me show you how to use this audience grouping to get more visibility on YouTube. Yes, to get more views on YouTube. Oh, before I continue, allow me introduce today's sponsors. This video is sponsored by NexusClips, and I want to be real with you for a second. Every creator knows the struggle. You pour time, energy, and creativity into a video, but the views just don't match the effort. It's not that your content isn't good, it's that people are not seeing it. Yes, it's not reaching them. That's where NexusClips changes the game. It helps you take your long videos and automatically find the moments people are most likely to watch and share. The AI cuts, formats, and captions them for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels in just few clicks. It is the same method big creators like MrBeast used to stay everywhere at once, turning one great idea into hundreds of viral clips that reach millions. You don't need a full editing setup or a team behind you. With NexusClips, all you need is your video and the rest is handled. If you're serious about growing faster, stay consistent, and finally getting your work seen, check out NexusClips. The link is right below in the description with a promo code. This could be the tool that takes your content to the next level, so mind to check it out. Back to the video. Whenever you upload a new video on YouTube, after 24 hours, there's a notification, there's a message that YouTube gives you about your video performance, how your video is actually performing, how viewers are actually interacting with your videos. Though most creators ignore this, and some small creators don't even know about this, but this information is very important. And whenever I upload a new YouTube video, after 24 hours, always make sure that you check for this information, because this information determines a lot whether your YouTube video is going to go viral, and also determines a lot on your next upload. If you've been uploading YouTube videos and in the first 24 hours your videos get views, but after 24 hours your views drops, your videos stop getting views, that is the same thing I'm talking about, and that is the specific reason to why your videos always stop getting views. Let me say I just uploaded this video right here, okay? After uploading this video, after 24 hours, I'll come to this video analytics, and when I click at analytics, this is the message I'm talking about. YouTube always tells you how your video is performing and how your viewers are engaging with that video. For example, right here, YouTube is telling me subscribers are choosing to watch this video less often than usual, contributing to 84% fewer views. And if this happens to your video, it literally means that that video is going to flop. That video is going to stop getting views after 24 hours. And if you keep on uploading this same type of videos in the future, you're going to end up having videos that get views in the first 24 hours, and after 24 hours, you don't get views for good. And to fix this, you need the new features that we are talking about in this video, which are audience grouping. And we are going to focus at this second feature, popular with different audiences. Here, YouTube shows me new, casual, and regular. As I said, new, these are new viewers that have watched my video for the first time. And for casual, these are viewers that have watched my videos in the past 5 months. And regular, these are viewers that have been watching my videos for more than 6 months. Now, if you check YouTube videos and you find out that subscribers are not engaging with the YouTube videos, subscribers are not watching your YouTube videos in the first 24 hours, what what you need to do is to focus at casual and regular. As you see right here, new viewers are watching these videos right here. Casual viewers are watching these videos right here. And regular viewers are watching these videos right here. Your own subscribers, those are casual viewers and regular viewers. So what you need to do is to check casual viewers. See what casual viewers are watching on your channel and see what regular viewers are watching on your channel. And now what you're going to do is to begin creating videos related to what casual viewers and regular viewers are watching on your channel. Stop uploading videos related to videos new viewers are watching on your channel, because videos your new viewers watch on your channel, your casual viewers and regular viewers, in most cases, they don't watch those videos. And for YouTube to recommend your new upload, your casual viewers and regular viewers should be watching that upload in the first 24 hours. So if you keep on uploading the content that your new viewers watch and your casual viewers and regular viewers don't watch, it literally means that your videos are going to always die after 24 hours. You're not going to get views on your new uploads after 24 hours. But if you upload videos that your casual viewers and regular viewers watch, it literally means that when they watch in the first 24 hours, that is going to actually send a signal to the YouTube algorithm, and the YouTube algorithm is going to keep on recommending your video to new people. So the thing is, upload videos that your regular viewers are interested to watch so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend it to new viewers. And when the regular viewers watch in the first 24 hours, it is a must that that video is going to get recommended to new viewers. And by all possibilities, if your regular viewers watch in the first 24 hours, that video should be recommended to new viewers. And when it gets recommended to new viewers are going to watch as well. And you're going to end up having popular videos on your channel. Let's talk about the second feature that YouTube just released, which is video overlap. So in YouTube Studio, still in analytics, you go to audience and you scroll through, you're gonna find formats your viewers watch on YouTube. And this is so important for every creator. Formats your viewers watch on YouTube. Here there is videos, shorts and live. Okay, you should check this before you create your next upload. YouTube is simplifying work for creators to stop guessing and begin creating content that will get views. Under this feature, videos have a line, shorts have a line, live have a line. When you look at my channel, videos, the bars are full or the line is full, shorts, the line is full, live, the line is not full or the bars are not full by 2. And this right here literally means that my viewers don't like watching live streams. They only like watching shorts and long form videos. So as a creator, this will tell me what to continue creating and what to stop creating. So for this particular case, with my channel, I should stop making live streams and focus at making long form videos and shorts. And that's the same case with you. Check your analytics and see what your viewers want to watch and create exactly what your viewers want to watch. Because if you create what your subscribers want to watch and they watch it, the YouTube algorithm is going to keep on recommending that to new viewers, and you're going to end up getting viral videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Check out this playlist if you've not set up your YouTube channel, or if you don't know how to set up your YouTube channel the right way. In this playlist, I've organized videos talking about YouTube setup, talking about YouTube optimization, talking about how to use different features like cards and screens and playlists. So check out this playlist to set up your YouTube channel professionally.